Welcome to the Study Corner. What is punctuation? Punctuation is defined as a set of symbols used to separate and clarify the meaning of sentences and written elements. There are 14 punctuation mark names that are commonly used in English grammar. They are the period, question mark, exclamation point, comma, semicolon, colon, dash, hyphen, parentheses, brackets, braces, apostrophe, quotation marks, and ellipses. Let's see some sentences. The cat meowed loudly. Here, exclamation mark, is a punctuation. I need to submit this report by Friday. Here, full stop, is a punctuation. The weather is chilly, so dress warmly. Here, comma, and full stop are punctuations. How to use punctuation marks. There are 14 punctuation marks in English. Period or full stop. A period is a small dot-shaped punctuation mark that is used at the end of any sentence that is intended to make a statement. As with other punctuation marks that end sentences, the period should be placed directly behind the last letter of the last word of the sentence. Question mark. A question mark is placed at the end of a sentence, which is a direct question. Exclamation points. Exclamation points go at the end of exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence is one that expresses a strong or forceful emotion, such as anger, surprise, or joy. Comma. The basic function of a comma is to separate nouns in a sentence. Semicolon. Use a semicolon between independent clauses which are linked in meaning with a transitional word. A colon is used to give emphasis, present dialogue, introduce lists or text, and clarify composition titles. Dash. A dash is used to separate part of a sentence and indicate a break. Hyphen. Use a hyphen to join two words, but keep their meanings separate. Parentheses. Parentheses are used to enclose additional, non-essential information to clarify, explain, or add a side note in a sentence. Brackets. Brackets are used to clarify or explain a part of the sentence that is not present, especially in a direct quotation. Curly brackets. Braces are used to indicate that certain words and or sentences should be looked at as a group. Quotation marks. Quotation marks are used primarily to enclose or set off exact words. Apostrophes. Apostrophes are used in possessive nouns to indicate that something belongs to something or someone else. Ellipses. A type of punctuation that represents a pause or that something has been intentionally left out. Thanks for watching.